Welcome punters, Ben here. We are going to draw game 368, which is Jeff's Uncanny X-Men 266 first appearance of Gambit. Bloody comments. Far out. Alright. Going live. And time is currently 9:23. (9:23 a.m.) Alright, going up. We have 185 places. Thought I missed poor Donald. Lucky I checked. I hate to face his wrath. Alright, double check. Yep, 185 places. 185. All right, back in first. Very good. 185. All right, 3 dice roll. Oh, nice and easy. 4 and 4 is 8, and 4 is 12. Don't have to go back the other way. 4, 4, 8, 12. All righty. Here we go. Number 1. It's 1. It's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. All right, that's 10 of 12. 4, 4, 4 is 12. All right, we have 2 more to go. Okay, that was 11. 11, so this is it, number 12 for the win. Good luck, everybody. All right, that was it. 12 times. Here we go. And the winner for first appearance of Gambit is Jason Vales. Congrats, Jason. All right, get in contact with Jeff to claim your win. Well done, everybody. Let me just go down. Far out. We are done. Alrighty, thanks for playing.